Hello everybody! Today we are going to look into pinch massage technique as an alternative to mesotherapy. Mesotherapy can be defined as inserting, normally in form of injection, of active substances into the skin in order to improve the skin quality. Set of substances is normally made individually for every person. However, our body is so special that it's actually able to form these substances on its own and even transport it to the skin. The main trick here is to improve capillary circulation, since only capillary nutrition can give the skin all the important elements. The main benefits of pinching massage is to improve circulation and faster the metabolic rate. As a result, your skin tightens, wrinkles smooth, post-acne spots disappear, and your skin tone evens out. So let's start with the massage. With the tips of your fingers, pinch your skin till it gets slightly red. Follow the massage lines. Do it from the center of your face to the periphery. When you get to the zone of around your eyes, make sure your pinches get softer. After that, you are going to pinch every wrinkle. Move across the wrinkle with soft pinches. Move on to the jawline. Same with the small pinches. Try to influence the whole surface, every small area of your skin. Next, you are going to move the area around your lips. After that, move to the area of eyebrow ridges, pinching the eyebrows. And move to the forehead. With the thumb and the forefinger, pinch every area of your forehead. Try to especially focus on transverse wrinkle. Do it from the center of your forehead to the periphery. In the same way, pinch the chin area. With small pinches, massage every area. Remember to do the same thing on your neckline. This massage can be good for every day. And remember that quality of capillary nutrition depends on your way of life. It's important what you eat, what you drink, if you do sports, what quality of air do you breathe. If you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel, like this video and recommend it to your friends. If you have any questions, please comment below, we would be happy to answer them.